Namaste and welcome to VD Decode YouTube channel.
You no longer need to buy expensive cameras or hire a massive production crew to create cinematic, high-end videos. Instead, we are using a two-part engine. Google Flow generates your footage, while Gemini serves as your director and script assistant. These tools integrate to turn a raw text document into a rendered video, handling everything from the storyboard to the final cut. This workflow effectively replaces the logistical heavy lifting of a traditional crew with a set of integrated, accessible AI systems. As production standards rise, the cost of scaling a channel in India's competitive faceless YouTube market is becoming prohibitive. For instance, a creator in the finance space has to compete for attention against massive Mumbai institutions with multi-million-dollar budgets. Educational creators face similar pressure, especially when building content around competitive exams where clarity and high-quality visuals are expected by students. By lowering these production costs, a solo creator in a Tier 2 city can now produce the same visual quality as a metropolitan agency. Step 1 of our 7-step pipeline is selecting a specific topic, for example, the future of regional electric vehicles. In Step 2, we use NotebookLM to analyze uploaded PDF reports. This ensures our script is grounded in real data rather than AI-generated guesses. This diagram illustrates the filtering process. Those verified data points are then moved into Gemini to be formatted into a conversational script. Gemini then organizes that data into a precise timeline, creating a structured map for both the audio and the visual tracks. Grounding the process in your own documents is the only way to avoid generic results and provide actual depth to your audience. Step 4 is visual generation. You take the descriptive lines from your Gemini script and paste them into the Google Flow prompt box. The VO3 engine translates those text prompts into photorealistic, high-end cinematic footage, like this dust-lit tracking shot. Flow includes a specific scene continuity feature. This ensures that your characters and environments look the same across every cut, solving the problem of visual drifting. You can also use natural language to direct the camera. Commands like slow pan or drone zoom allow you to manage the cinematography without manual editing. By combining continuity with directed camera moves, the software functions as a responsive film crew that executes your specific visual intent. In Step 5, we generate the voiceover. You can use integrated AI avatars or high-quality voice models directly within the workspace. Finally, Steps 6 and 7 use OmniFlash for conversational editing. You can add captions or transitions via voice commands before exporting to YouTube. Professionals use an expanded pipeline, inserting Claude to translate raw data into a natural narrative. Claude turns robotic facts into a rhythmic story. Gemini then acts as technical director, breaking the story into exact visual prompts for generation. Mastering this specific chain of models is what allows a solo creator to handle every stage of professional production alone. Understanding the economics of these tools is vital for managing your growth as a creator. The free tier is for practice, restricted to 8-second clips and lower priority, limiting full video production. For $20 a month, the Pro plan unlocks the VO3 engine and significantly higher generation limits for complex projects. This monthly cost replaces the much higher price of maintaining rendering hardware or hiring freelance editors for every new project. We are moving into an era where technical gear is no longer the bottleneck. Success now depends entirely on the quality of your research. The ultimate advantage is the ability to conceptualize, generate, and publish a cinematic explainer on breaking news overnight. This workflow relies on 3 principles. Research comes first, use specialized tools for specific tasks, and start with the free tiers to learn the logic. A full production studio is currently sitting idle inside your laptop. Subscribe to VD Decode for more AI blueprints and start your first project today.